Hello, everyone. My name is Zhang, a doctoral student of Xiangya School of Nursing, Central South University. Thank you so much for inviting me here for this presentation. I'm so honored. Today, I will show effectiveness and the safety of providing free HIV self-testing kits among men who have sex with men in China. Is there a knowledge gap? This is my research team. Recent years, HIV epidemic is rapidly increasing among men who have sex with men in China, yet HIV testing remains suboptimal. We can see globally, an estimate 4 in 10 of HIV positive individuals have not been tested for HIV. In China, a recent meta-analysis showed that about half of Chinese MSM had never been tested for HIV in their lifetime. HIV self-testing is defined as an approach in which individuals collect their own specimens and then conduct a test and read the results by themselves. Providing HIV-ST is already being promoted by UNAIDS and the WHO. However, China has not issued a guideline on HIV-ST. So, the aim of this study is two-way. First, a systematic review was conducted to identify whether there is a knowledge gap in studies related to HIV-ST. Second, the review study results was used as basis for the empirical research. This is the methods for the first step. We conducted a systematic review and meta-analysis to describe current evidence on effectiveness and safety of providing HIV-ST kits among MSM. 7 electronic databases like PubMed, Web of Science, Cochrane Library, and so on, and abstracts from 6 HIV sexually transmitted infections conferences were searched between January 2000 and April 2017. The quality of identified studies was assessed with GBI appraisal tools. This is the inclusion and exclusion criteria for the included study. This is the flowchart of selection procedure and outcomes of this systematic review. Let's see. In this systematic review, we totally reviewed 1694 articles. Among them, we identified 23 studies. The pooled results showed that HIV-ST increased HIV test frequency for MSM by 1 additional test in a 6-month period. However, for this outcome, only 2 studies, and both of them were conducted in high-income countries. Rigorously designed research on effectiveness and safety of HIV-ST kits was limited. Based on the review results, we designed and conducted a 2-arm RCT and to examine the effectiveness and safety of providing HIV/AIDS kits among Chinese MSM. This study was performed in 40 cities of Hunan province in China. The settings included urban and rural areas. This is the inclusion and exclusion criteria for participants in this RCT study. The intervention for control group. Participants in this group could access site-based HIV testing service, and participants in intervention group could access site-based HIV testing kits plus free blood-based HIV self-testing kits. This is a third-generation rapid assay. The duration for this intervention was 12 months. The results for this RCT study, totally 230 Chinese MSM were recruited between April 14, 2018 and June 30, 2018, and were followed up for 1 year at 4 10 points assignment every 3 months. RCT demonstrated the average frequency of HIV tests in the intervention arm was higher than that in the control arm. Providing HIV/ST did not decrease consistent condom usage rate and did not increase sexual partners number. Through the systematic review and the meta-analysis, we were able to identify the knowledge gap on HIV/ST promotion among MSM. Based on the review results, it was evident that new RCT is needed. This two-way study is a good example how evidence-based research can offer valuable steps to indicate whether new studies are needed or not. For these studies, we published 2 pieces of essay papers. The first is a systematic review and meta-analysis published in PLOS One, and the second is for the RCT study. This paper was recently published in PLOS Medicine, and the infected factor is Dodge 5. That's all what I want to share today. Thank you again for inviting me here. Welcome your comments and questions.